Hello and welcome to Judy Cooking 360. So today we're going to make soy sauce chicken. Ooh, my pot is really hot. Let's cool you down a little. So I have here 2 tablespoons of oil. And I have here 6 cloves of garlic that I smashed and 2 inches of ginger. And I'm going to put about half of an onion, chopped in big chunks. You want it chopped in big chunks. Green onion, chopped in about 1-inch pieces. Put a piece more oil in here. I will put the whole one. Okay. So here we have our onion, garlic, and ginger. And this is 4 cups of hot water. It's actually called Cantonese chicken. And then we have 1 cup of regular soy sauce, 1/2 cup of dark soy sauce, and then we're gonna put Chinese 5 spice, just a 1/2 teaspoon, couple of bay leaves. Let's put 3 bay leaves. And 2 star anise. Let's get 2 nice looking ones. There we go. And I put a couple of cloves in here. Some people put cinnamon sticks. I put a couple of cloves in here and 1/2 cup of sugar. Let's turn that up. Yes. Stir this up. Incorporate that sugar in here. And then we're going to bring this up to a boil. Before that, we're going to put like a 1/2 cup of rice wine vinegar. We want it to be tasty. This is gonna be so flavorful, guys. Now we're gonna bring this up to a boil so I can dunk my chicken in there. And we're back. So I did cook the chicken for about 1 hour on medium high, because one thing we don't want to do is overcook our chicken. And in my seasoning, I also added a teaspoon of white pepper. See if we can get this open up. Okay. Okay. Let's get rid of the backbone here. All right. I'm so tempted to start eating a piece here, but I'm gonna continue cutting it up. It's so juicy, guys. And then I also went ahead and took a 1.5 cups of the sauce, and I added a teaspoon of cornstarch and made us a nice gravy. I know in the store they would cut it up more than that. Oh, that's a wing. Let's put you over here. Yeah, a teaspoon of cornstarch. I added it to 1.5 cups of the sauce and made a beautiful sauce out of it. So here we go, guys. This is what we're talking about here. Deliciousness. Beautiful, delicious soy sauce chicken. Just let that gravy run right over it. Let that sauce just permeate the entire thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Make it and enjoy it. And tell me what you think. Okay? See you guys next time on Judy Cooking 360. There we go, guys. A big thank you to all my subscribers and all my friends out there that are watching. See you guys next time.